Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add search bar on your Wix website. Now this is very quick and easy. I'm also going to show you guys how you can customize it. Now all you have to do, you want to just drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. Now what you want to do guys, first is you want to click my sites in the top left, and then you want to click on go to my sites so that it will take you to your sites or websites. Now you want to select the website that you want to add search bar to. For example, I'm going to select this one, click on select and edit site. Now next thing guys you want to do, which is very simple and quick, you want to click on design site in the top right. Now after that it will take you directly to your site. You will just have to wait a few seconds before it loads. Now after it loads guys, all you have to do, you want to click on this plus in the top left, click on it. Alright, now next thing guys you want to do, I'm sorry, you don't have to click on this plus, you just want to click on add apps. As you can see, this one, add apps, as you can see here. Now next thing you want to do guys, you want to search for here, you want to search for Wix search search bar. Okay, you want to search for Wix search bar, and as you can see here guys, you will see the extension here or the app here. You want to click on Wix search bar here, click on it, and it will take you directly to the app. What you want to do guys, you want to click on open or install. Because you don't have the app already, just click on install. I clicked open because I already downloaded the app. Now next thing guys, you will see here the search bar. As you can see in the top or in the top right, you will see here search bar. You can also customize this if you want. Click on it and then click settings, and you can change a lot of things. But I suggest guys, after you add the search bar, you want to click the video in the screen so that you can learn exactly how you can customize it. The video is all about customizing your search bar. I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.